Before Earth had oceans, before the moon existed, before life even had a chance to dream, there was only fire. At the center of our solar system burns a star so powerful, so violent, that it controls everything we are. This is the sun. Every second it unleashes more energy than humanity has ever used in its entire history. A giant sphere of nuclear chaos, holding planets in its grip like invisible chains. But here's the truth no one tells you. The sun is not just giving life. It's slowly destroying everything too. From the warmth on your skin to the light in your sky. Every moment of your existence is powered by this glowing giant, and one day it will decide when it all ends. This is the story of our star, our creator, and our inevitable destroyer. Around 4.6 billion years ago, in a silent corner of the galaxy, a cloud of gas and dust began to collapse. No sound, no warning, just gravity pulling everything inward. As the cloud shrank, it spun faster and faster, heating up, growing brighter, until something incredible happened. At its core, pressure became so intense that hydrogen atoms began to fuse. This was the moment the sun was born. A star ignited. In an instant, darkness turned into blinding light. The sun came alive, pushing away gas and debris, shaping the solar system we know today. Planets formed from leftover material, spinning around their new master. And from that chaos came Earth. Everything you've ever known began here. What the sun really is. The sun looks calm from Earth, but that's an illusion. In reality, it's a raging inferno, a massive ball of plasma, not solid, not liquid, but something far more extreme. Its surface burns at around 5,500 degrees Celsius, but deep inside, the core reaches over 15 million degrees. Here, nuclear fusion is constantly happening. Hydrogen atoms collide and fuse into helium, releasing enormous energy. Every second, the sun converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into energy. Let that sink in. This energy travels across space, reaching Earth in just 8 minutes. Without it, our planet would freeze instantly. But this power comes at a cost, because every second the sun burns, it is slowly running out of fuel. The sun controls everything. The sun isn't just a star, it's the ruler of the solar system. Its gravity holds everything together. Planets, asteroids, comets, all trapped in its invisible web. If the sun suddenly disappeared, Earth wouldn't just go dark. We would be thrown into deep space at incredible speed, lost forever. But it's not just gravity. The sun controls our weather, our oceans, even the air we breathe. Solar energy drives winds, fuels storms, and powers the entire food chain. Every plant, every animal, every human depends on it. You are literally made from sunlight, yet at the same time, this life-giving force can become deadly, because the sun doesn't just give, it can also take away. Solar storms, the danger. Sometimes, the sun gets angry. Massive explosions called solar flares erupt from its surface, releasing bursts of energy stronger than billions of nuclear bombs. These storms send waves of radiation and charged particles hurtling toward Earth. When they hit, they can disrupt satellites, shut down power grids, and even knock out the internet. In 1859, a solar storm known as the Carrington event caused telegraph systems to fail across the world. If something like that happened today, modern civilization could collapse in days. And the scary part, it can happen again, anytime. The sun isn't just a peaceful light in the sky, it's a ticking cosmic threat. Life because of the sun, despite its dangers. The sun is the reason we exist. Without it, Earth would be a frozen, lifeless rock drifting through space. Sunlight powers photosynthesis, allowing plants to grow and produce oxygen. That oxygen fuels animals, and us. Every breath you take, every bite of food you eat, is connected to the sun. Even fossil fuels, coal, oil, gas, are ancient sunlight stored for millions of years. We are not separate from the sun. We are a product of it. It shaped our climate, our evolution, even our civilizations. Ancient cultures worshipped it as a god, and in many ways, they weren't wrong. The sun is aging, like all stars. The sun won't last forever. Right now, it's in the most stable phase of its life, burning hydrogen steadily. But this balance won't last. In about 5 billion years, the sun will run low on hydrogen fuel. When that happens, everything will change. The core will shrink, the outer layers will expand, and the sun will grow into a massive red giant. It will become so large, it could swallow Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. The sky will turn red. Oceans will boil away. Life will vanish. The same star that gave us life will erase it completely. After its violent expansion, the sun will begin to die. It will shed its outer layers into space, creating a glowing cloud called a planetary nebula. At the center, only a small core will remain a white dwarf. A dense, fading ember of what was once our sun. No more warmth, no more light for life. Just a silent, cooling remnant drifting in darkness. The solar system will become a graveyard. Planets frozen, orbits broken, everything that ever existed here, gone. But even in death, the sun will leave behind something beautiful, a cosmic memory of light. It's easy to forget. Every sunrise you see is a reminder of something much bigger. We live our lives under its light, rarely thinking about the power behind it. But the truth is, our entire existence is tied to this star, from the atoms in your body to the energy that keeps you alive. You are connected to this sun in ways you can't even see. It's not just above us, it's within us. And one day, long after humanity is gone, the sun will continue its journey until even it fades into the darkness. The sun is more than just a star. It's a beginning and an ending, a force of creation and destruction. It gave us everything we've ever known, and one day it will take it all away. But for now, it rises every morning. It warms our world. It lights up our sky, a constant in a universe full of chaos. So the next time you feel its warmth, remember what it really is, a burning giant keeping you alive for just a little while longer.